Prompt buffer is a special type of buffer. It is meant to receive input from the user and process that input, just like in a command prompt. To use it, you just have to set the buff type to prompt. This line is optional. It binds the escape key to delete the prompt buffer. You can navigate around the buffer, but you cannot modify any lines using normal commands. You can type I or A anywhere in the buffer, and it takes you back to the last line of the buffer. With prompt set callback, you can set the function to call when you press enter. You have to pass in the buffer number of the prompt buffer and the function reference for the callback. Here, after the new command, current buffer will be the prompt buffer, so you can use the buffnr function without any argument, because that will return the buffer number of the current buffer. Function callback receives the user input in the function argument. Let's just echo the text for the simple demo.